our great outdoors. I love being outdoors. There are so many things to do. Sledding down the snowy hills in the winter, walking on the beach during my summer vacation, riding my bike to the park after school. But my favorite outdoor activity is going to football games to watch my favorite team. There were 24,635 people in the stadium for the football game last weekend. About how many people attended the game? Let's round this number to the nearest thousand.
To help round 24,635 to the nearest thousand, we can use a number line. 24,635 is between 24,000 and 25,000. Since 24,635 is closer to 25,000 than 24,000, it rounds to 25,000.
Using a number line makes the answer easy to see. That's a lot of people. Plus, my favorite team won the championship. There is so much to explore outside. No matter where you go, math can take you there.